Blockchain and digital assets are transforming operational excellence by enabling greater transparency, security, and automation in business processes. They streamline operations, reduce inefficiencies, and enhance trust across supply chains and organizational workflows. This technological shift is setting a new standard for operational efficiency and accountability across industries. Part 1. The operational challenge today. Global supply chain inefficiencies are extremely costly, resulting in approximately $4 trillion in annual losses worldwide. A major contributor is the 65% of time wasted due to manual reconciliation and disconnected, siloed data systems. These inefficiencies slow critical decision-making and reduce overall operational agility. Additionally, 40% of risk increases arise from trust gaps between supply chain partners. These gaps amplify compliance and fraud risks, further impacting financial performance and reliability. Legacy operational systems slow down processes and create inefficiencies that hinder business growth. These outdated systems act as bottlenecks, preventing organizations from keeping pace in today's fast-moving environment. Modern operations face significant complexities due to multiple intermediaries, which increase transaction times and operational costs, creating delays and financial burdens. Limited transparency across processes hinders early issue detection, resulting in slower responses and preventable costly product recalls. Organizations struggle with compliance challenges because real-time, accurate operational data and audit trails are often lacking, making regulatory adherence error-prone and expensive. These factors collectively slow decision-making, reduce efficiency, and increase operational risk. Addressing visibility, data accuracy, and process simplification is critical for optimizing modern operational performance. Part 2. Blockchain's game-changing attributes. Blockchain drives operational excellence through three key pillars. First, security ensures immutable, tamper-proof records, protecting data integrity and preventing fraud or unauthorized changes. Second, accountability is achieved via transparent, auditable ledgers that give all authorized stakeholders full visibility and responsibility across operations. Third, efficiency comes from automated processes using smart contracts, which minimize manual work, reduce human error, and speed up processing while maintaining compliance. Together, these pillars enhance trust, streamline operations, and strengthen overall organizational performance. Oracle's blockchain supply chain solutions provide end-to-end visibility by enabling real-time tracking of goods from origin to consumer, transforming operational transparency. They create tamper-proof data trails, allowing rapid product recalls and easy compliance verification. The system monitors critical conditions and quality metrics continuously, ensuring standards are met throughout the supply chain. Investigations into quality issues that previously took weeks can now be resolved in minutes. A practical example is pharmaceutical cold chain monitoring, which safeguards vaccine integrity by tracking temperature and handling conditions globally. Overall, these solutions enhance efficiency, accountability, and trust across complex supply chains. BNY Mellon's tokenization platform enables seamless integration of on-chain and off-chain data, providing full visibility and management of the entire asset lifecycle. By leveraging tokenized assets, investors can access fractional ownership, faster settlement processes, and improved liquidity across traditionally illiquid asset classes. This innovation unlocks new opportunities for asset mobility and more efficient capital markets. The platform demonstrates practical success, as seen with WisdomTree's blockchain-enabled transfer agency, which manages $241 million in tokenized assets. These assets are handled with complete transparency, ensuring regulatory compliance throughout all transactions. Overall, tokenization combines data integration, liquidity enhancement, and proven results to transform the way assets are managed and traded. Smart contracts automate operational workflows by executing payments and compliance checks automatically once milestones are verified. They reduce disputes by using pre-programmed conditions, removing ambiguity, and accelerating cash flow in multi-party transactions. Conditional payments ensure that supply chain funds are released only after delivery conditions are confirmed. This automation enhances efficiency by minimizing manual intervention and human error. It also strengthens trust among partners through transparent, rule-based operations. Overall, smart contracts streamline processes, improve reliability, and speed up financial and operational transactions across complex networks. Part 3. The future of operational excellence. Blockchain enables the unification of fragmented operations by providing shared, permissioned ledgers that allow seamless collaboration across entire industries and supply chains. Consortiums create a trusted environment where multiple stakeholders can coordinate efficiently without compromising data security. Rapid prototyping, as demonstrated by Deloitte's Blockchain Studio, accelerates innovation and the development of scalable solutions. Cross-industry partnerships further drive faster adoption of blockchain technologies, creating opportunities for operational improvements. Overall, these approaches transform isolated processes into integrated, efficient, and collaborative operational networks. Accenture's digital assets maturity model offers structured guidance for agencies and enterprises to develop compliant and resilient blockchain operations. It includes operational due diligence frameworks that systematically manage risks related to custody, valuation, and conflicts in digital asset management. By applying these frameworks, organizations can mitigate potential operational and regulatory pitfalls. Enhanced regulatory clarity further reduces uncertainty and operational friction. This combination enables enterprises to adopt and scale digital asset solutions with greater confidence and security. WisdomTree has achieved operational excellence by integrating blockchain technology with traditional transfer agent functions, enabling comprehensive digital asset management. Their platform handles thousands of tokenized fund transactions efficiently while maintaining high transparency and security standards. This integration ensures seamless processing across the entire asset lifecycle, reducing manual effort and errors. The system's scalability allows it to manage growing transaction volumes without compromising performance. WisdomTree's approach has been recognized with awards, demonstrating its effectiveness and industry-leading performance in digital asset processing. Blockchain enhances trust and collaboration by significantly lowering the cost of trust between business partners, enabling quicker and more confident decision-making. Its transparent data availability strengthens accountability, encouraging ethical practices across organizations. Employees gain empowerment through access to real-time insights and streamlined workflows, which improve decision-making and operational efficiency. Overall, blockchain fosters a culture of responsibility and collaboration within teams. This combination of trust, transparency, and employee enablement drives more effective and agile business operations. Before blockchain adoption, disconnected ledgers caused operational silos, manual audits drained resources, and payment delays disrupted cash flow. Implementing a unified blockchain ledger creates a single source of truth and streamlines processes through automated smart contracts. Payments and settlements become instant, improving liquidity across operations. Organizations adopting blockchain see significant efficiency gains, reducing manual workload and operational friction. Industry benchmarks indicate a 30 to 50% reduction in operational costs and cycle times as a result of blockchain implementation. Emerging trends in blockchain technology show a strong convergence with AI, enabling predictive analytics and automated decision-making in operations. Enterprise-focused decentralized applications, dApps, are rapidly expanding, streamlining workflows and operational processes within organizations. Asset tokenization is growing beyond traditional finance, extending into real estate, intellectual property, and commodity markets. These trends collectively enhance operational efficiency, transparency, and flexibility across industries. The integration of AI, enterprise dApps, and tokenized assets signals a shift toward more intelligent, automated, and digitally native business ecosystems. To embrace the blockchain advantage, organizations should first assess their current operational maturity and identify opportunities where blockchain aligns with strategic goals. Forming strategic partnerships with experienced blockchain innovators, such as Deloitte and BNY Mellon, can help pilot effective solutions and speed up adoption. Developing a clear roadmap is essential, outlining milestones and success metrics for implementing blockchain-driven improvements. This approach ensures that digital assets and blockchain technologies are integrated systematically into operations. Ultimately, these steps position organizations to achieve operational excellence and unlock the full potential of blockchain. Blockchain and digital assets enhance operational excellence by providing secure, transparent, and automated foundations for modern operations. Tokenization and smart contracts drive innovation, enabling new efficiencies and previously impossible business models. Scalable adoption is supported by stronger collaboration and mature regulatory frameworks across enterprises. The future of operational excellence is here, and organizations are urged to act now. Blockchain provides a trusted foundation for innovation and growth. Embracing it enables businesses to unlock new efficiencies and transform their potential. Please like, subscribe, and join me in the next video.